wowzers, flavor punch. I'm gonna make a big batch of pizzas with a sage and hazelnut brown butter. I'm gonna make the pizza dough and all the toppings here, and then we'll transfer them down to Prohibition House and we'll cook the pizzas down there. Pizza dough is really easy. Warm water, 250 ml. 1 tablespoon of yeast. Put it aside somewhere warm until it's all frothy. I'm gonna slice up the onions and get them caramelizing. Olive oil. And we're going to sweat the onions down. The yeast is ready. Flour, tablespoon of olive oil, and a teaspoon of salt. Keep kneading it until it's smooth and elastic. I'm going to leave that for about 45 minutes. Salt, brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of balsamic. Time to make the sage and hazelnut brown butter. So we're waiting for the butter just before it turns brown. Right, time to add in the hazelnuts. And sage. It's like a flavored bomb. Cup your hand over it, roll it around. Awesome. Let's get this in the outdoor oven. Spread out some ricotta, bacon, onions. Sage and hazelnut brown butter on it.
So good.